Hello everyone. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the techystack channel. So this is continuation part of automating the calculator. So in the last video, we just check how the things are working. So just I'm running one time and we'll just check. So okay, here I did two things. Let me remove this input and output. I will show you how in this video we'll try to explore how we can add that input as well. So before that, just I am running this automation, what it will do. So it will just add the 1 plus 2 plus equals to 3. It will just do the some small part of calculations. Okay, now when you check this, so we got this output, the same thing. So now the thing is, I'm taking the input here. For example, if you see one, I'm taking the input here. So if I want to give this to user, so what we need to do? So for that purpose, so go to this one, just activity here, or you go to here, or go inside anywhere of this Canva apart from this activities. So when you click on activities, you cannot see the things. When you click on this calculator, also it related to the app. When you click inside here or outside of this Canva, outside of this particular group activity. Okay, when you check here, we can see these two things. One thing is available input or output. So under this, we have the two things are the input parameter and output parameter. So right now we are working on the input parameters. So just add this. So first value, or else you can mention as first number. Okay, and this is a string now. So anyway, we know that this is related to the string. So just update this as number. And I want another number. So this is for second number. Okay, just change this to the number. Okay, now two inputs has done. Okay, now when I run this automation, it will use this. I mean, it will ask. So two numbers. So this is a first number. You can add this first number, and this is a second number. You can add this. Okay. So now I will just use one condition, if condition. So just for simply understanding, we go for the if condition. So if you want to use this if condition, you will just go here search icon. If you type if, you will not get this if condition. So here you need to type this condition. So this is a syntax, or it might be that this is the search thing you can do. So just drag and drop. Okay, now here we need to add this condition. So how we can add this condition? Go to here editor and we can add this edit formula, and we can add this these things. So just edit, and where you declare that is an input. So input having the two numbers, first number and second number. So just type first number. So once you type this first number, you can see step 0 dot first number. Step 0, why? Because it's getting from the input. So which is by default it will consider as the step 0. Okay, step number is equals to 1. So just for this purpose only we are doing. Later we'll export something different. So step number is equals to 1. Okay, if this is equals to 1, then it will click on this 1. This is the one thing which is done. Okay, after this what it will do, mouse click, it will click on the plus icon. This is normal. After this again, I will give here one more condition. If second number is equals to 2, second number equals to 2, then I need to click the second number. Okay, so this is a small condition which I have applied. So now I will go to this thing, I will remove this and I will run this one. Okay, so when I give this number 1 and 2, then only it will run. I will show you here. So number 1 and number 2, just for testing purpose. So we have to wait until to run that automation. So now when you check, 1 and 2 has done. Okay, if in case I have give some other numbers, for example, if I give this 3 and 4, what it will do, we'll check. So let me remove this. So I will give here number 3 and I will give here number 4. What it will do, it will won't click anything activities. So just it will exit from that. Okay, it not did just 0 plus 0. It just is just it click on the equals type icon. I mean just it will click plus icon and equals to. So now the output is 0. So this is the thing it's happened. Okay, now we got to know how we can use this condition. So now the problem is, so user will give this number. So he will give 1 plus 1 plus, I mean for example if he give is 121, for example one first number plus 1. So what is my output? Total output is 122. So how we can project this one, these things? So we try to learn this one. Okay. Okay, now when I go to application, I mean there's something work we need to go and do some work here. Okay, When I go on check here, we declare the three elements. When you check, this is related to the one. So just go on check. Is there anything is related to that? Like it getting the number one or number two or number three something. So we need to just identify whether it's getting or not. So when you see here, I'm getting this name as one and I have the class. Just click on the show all. Is there anything apart from this? If you see here, lot of the things are there, but we need to identify what is this exactly? So just I'm looking for the number one. Is there anything related to the number one? So if you check here automation ID, I have this number one. Okay, but this won't work me right now, this condition. So we need to go and declare. For example, if you declare all the numbers, number one, number two, for example, I have this multiple things now. So just we'll go with the normal flow. We'll declare all the numbers. Okay, this is number three. I will just only go with only these three numbers. Number three. Okay, and I will remove this. Okay, now when you check here, it's got this number three. Okay, I will just declare this number three. So just highlighting this number three. That's it. So now what I will do now, I will just loop one, two, one plus three. So this is my condition. One, two, one plus three. So I want this something kind of like this. I will do this one. So now how we can do this means go to your calculator again. This is a automation. So here, if you want to use that, I need this loop. For example, if you want to use the loop here, you need to use for each. Okay, once you type this for each, if you type the for also, you cannot see this activity directly. You have this hold down we need to do. So when you want some activity, you can try with full name. Okay, make sure that for you using the condition, if condition as a condition, if for using the for each loop, we have the for each. Just drag and drop. Okay, in this list set the looping list. Okay, here what I will do, so this is for the step one na? I mean first number. So just save it. Okay, when you check here, it's having this type of variable is not compatible. I mean, if you see here, type of the variable is not incomplete. Please change the variables and looping the blind. I mean, change the binding. So what happened now? This is integer. It's not supporting there. So basically, it should be the something different way in array or something. It will allows. So now what we want to, I mean, if you want to avoid this input, I mean, if you want to avoid this error, so how we can go to this input and change this number to any. So it will store any number of times. I mean, any number of times means any kind of data it will store. And similar with just change this downside any. Okay, now both are in format of any. It can accept any data, but make sure that here it should be enter only the numbers. If you enter something else, it won't capture. There you need to add this some conditions like this. As of now, we are not adding anything like that. So just we are to do this. Okay, now I want to see what type of data is coming here. For that, we have used log message. Already you know this log message, how we can use this log message. Just drag and drop. Okay. So here, what type of data we need to get here? Current number. So this index is by default, it will start from zero and auto increment this one. No issues with that. So right now we're concentrating on the current number. So just go here and edit this formula or message box it may be, and you can update here current member and just save this expression. So we have updated this log message as well. So now we'll run this one and I will just put the breakpoint here. So when you go this red circle, so if you click there, so it will highlight it as a orange color, then it's a breakpoint. So now I will run this automation and this is the value where you can enter this number. If you enter 123, so or might be if you enter 123, what it will happen? It will just will check. Okay, before that I will put loop point here. Just I will check for the purpose. So let me remove this and I will add this here 1, 2, 3. So now how many times it will loop here we'll understand. So when you check this, step into, so it's looping 123, 124, 125 and so on. It's incrementing that the loop. So basically it will go for this 123 times it might be the loop this. So to avoid these kind of things, what we need to know. So just while running this input, it should be in the double quotes. Then it will take it as a different way. So when I update here double quotes 1, 2, 3, you can make it a string. Then it's a good thing. So just click on the test. Just try with that string. So if it is working, then fine. So when I check now, let me go inside. So it will just add for the 3 iterations, and I will go and check this log. In this log, I have the number 1, and I have this number 2, and I have this is the number 3. Okay, it just look for the 3 times, and it got exit. Okay, now this is also done. So then the next step, what we need to do now? So we need to click that. So if it is 1, then I need to click that 1. Okay, so here we are adding the condition as plus. So that is our mathematical operation. Okay, just remove this, or else if you can go delete here, or press delete button in the keyboard. Okay, now if this condition, so first step dot number, so just remove this, and we need to add here one formula. So current member is equals to 1. Okay, then go to click this one. Okay, just take another condition here. So this is another condition, just add is this. So here just edit this, and current member is equals to 2. Then click on the 2. So this is the one click. So just click on the 2. Okay, and I will remove this condition. Okay, and another condition I'm adding. Okay, if condition is equals to 3, current member is equals to 3, then click on 3. So just go to duplicate and drag and drop. So that is a way we can, or else you can go there and drag and drop. That is fine. Anything is fine. So now this is number for 3, number 3. So just click on that confirm. Okay, what it will do now? So it will loop for each and everything. If this condition is equal to 1, then it will click. If condition is equal to 2, then it will click. If condition is equal to 3, then it will go and click on the number 3. Okay, once this is done, so for each and everything we need to add this one. Oh, not required. So 1, 2, 3, it got clicked. After that, what it will have? I have this plus symbol. After this, it will add. We need to add one more symbol now. So after this, we have the second number as well. So the second number directly you can loop it. So just duplicate. Okay, this is for second one. So second number also it having the same thing now. So why these errors occurs means basically here current number is 3 and here current number is 9. So it will change that one. So just go inside and change this current number. So just change this to 9. So when you check here current number 9, just save this expression, and similar for to these things as well. So just go and change that number. So if you not change, and it will won't go that error, and you are not able to run this automation. Okay, and just change this to number 9. This is done. Okay, now one thing we need to add. So once this number has added, after that we need to give this element as plus element. Okay, just put that element inside. Okay, now everything is done. So just I will run this automation and we'll check. So what it will work. So what I'm trying to do means 123, and here I will give only the number 123 plus 2. Okay, totally 123 plus 2 is equal to 125. Output should be the 125. So just click on the test, and it will deploy to the local desktop, and it will run. So local desktop agent. So when you see it got something wrong, 123 plus 123, it got something different way. So we'll understand what it will went wrong here. So when I go here, so this is my loop start. This is my first loop started. So forget about this second loop. So we need to consider the first loop. So what will happen? And let me go here. So this is 0. It will add 1, and next time it add 2, and next time it add 3. So this is fine. It's just added 1, 2, 3. After this, the plus symbol is there. So plus symbol is there. Okay, this is fine. Okay, let me remove, and I will go step by step. So first I will run this one. Okay, okay. Why it's happened na? So here inside I not change this number na, so that's why. So just open editor, and you can mention here second number. That's it. So this is a one small mistake which I have done. So let me disable this breakpoint, and I will run one more time. Before running, I will check. Okay, this is 0. Okay, now I'm running this automation. We'll see what whether it will give this 125 or not. So we'll just check that. Okay, now when you check this output is 125 and the same output is get it here or not, get element. When you go and check, the display is 125. This is my final output. So this is a way how we you can handle like this. So when you see here, I declare the many elements are there. So when you see this element, lot of elements are there. And when I go to calculator, and if you see here, I have the total, how many are there? Lot of are there. So we don't know if when you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So around 30 to 40 elements are there near to that approximately. So if you want to declare all the elements, it's not that much easy, no? So next session. So how we can use this all the things based on one sentence. We'll try to explore how we can do that as well. So still, if you have any doubts, try to comment in the comment section. So that's it.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.